What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Breakdown, and the title of the video is 3 young dudes in a Hellcat with a Glock switch. Ooh. All right. Let's see what they talking about here.
2023, in Davie, Florida, a Broward Sheriff's Office. On January 3rd, 2023, in Davie, Florida, a Broward Sheriff's Office detective spotted a Dodge Charger Hellcat tearing down the road at dangerously high speeds, recklessly weaving through traffic. After a short pursuit, the detective caught up to the vehicle and swiftly ordered all occupants out at gunpoint. Behind the wheel was the main suspect, later identified as Todd Pierce.
Hey, Sonny.
Yep.
I got him in custody.
What are you charging with?
What's that?
What are you charging with?
He just hit this car and tried to flee. Yeah.
Why did you take on?
Sit down. Sit down right here. Cross your feet.
Oh, those flexing cuffs.
Hold on, Sonny. I got like 3 in custody. But typically, you only use those when you run out of regular cuffs.
3?
Yeah. Actually, stand up. Come with me. Over here. Sit down. Right here. Get up.
Hold on, what am I doing?
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Bro, this is a f***ing joke, bro. Stop reaching, dude. I end up getting tased, man.
What am I doing? What? What am I being arrested for? Bro, why am I being detained? Why am I being detained?
Shut the f*** up, bro. Sit down. Sit down right there. Sit down right there. I'm Tenny. It's 5 Yankee 2. I'm on a 1050 at State Road 84 in University. I have 3 in custody. Can you have Davey respond 1094? Not code 3, but as fast as possible. Stop reaching.
I need to call my lawyer.
Okay.
I need to call my lawyer.
Am I asking you a question?
No, I'm finna tell you talk to my lawyer, my nigga.
I'm not. I won't talk to you at all.
Let me hold my phone. What is you got going on, nigga? Hey, let me talk to my lawyer.
It's gonna be a gray Charger Alpha Papa 02 Delta Sierra. What?
Just because it's all back there? Almost reckless?
Yeah, you're also speeding. That's not how that works. You understand that, right?
We're going 65. Will you cut us off?
Shut up.
Cut us off?
Shut up.
Yeah, we was going 65. Will you cut us off?
Yeah, me too. You guys are crazy. What?
Can't give us a ticket for us.
No way. Not with all the attitude I'm getting from you guys. Giving me a bunch of lip and shit. Quiet.
Uniform 18016. 18016.
Just me that says something.
What?
Or you log me on at 5 Yankee 11 also show me
What's
around.
that?
I was there that says something.
No, he ran his mouth. He opened up his mouth. It's okay. I don't have to talk to you guys anymore. I don't need to ask you questions. You don't need a lawyer right now. You can call your lawyer at the jail. Put your hoodie down. I can't see your face.
Oh, man, what do you want? Fucking record my shit.
What?
You hear me?
What?
You hear me?
Bro.
You're tripping.
I have anger issues.
All you had to do was ask me politely. I would have took the shit.
Hey,
Come on.
listen. You're under arrest. You understand that? You don't get to make the rules here.
You didn't tell me that. Why am I under arrest?
Because I said so.
For what?
You'll find out at the jail at first appearance. That's when you're legally supposed to be told what your charges are. At first appearance at the jail. I don't have to tell you. Okay? Hey, Sarge. I ran out of handcuffs. Do you have a pair? Put your hands behind your back.
Nah, it's just these guys. They tried to flee and they backed into a car that also left. No, I'm by myself. I was just on my way in. So let me fix my car, and then, thanks, Sarge.
Although not captured on body camera, a more thorough search of the vehicle revealed an illegally modified Glock handgun located between the driver's seat and the center console. The firearm was equipped with a device commonly known as a switch, which converts a semi-automatic pistol into fully automatic, a modification that is illegal under federal law.
Things gonna go flying, boy.
I'm just gonna toss the car. I'm rolling, I'm hot. It doesn't matter.
On this side, buddy?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Here's ammo.
Money.
That's
You can make a felony.
Nah, they're jits, bro. There might be a gun somewhere. They probably never been arrested.
Keyword though, you said it.
Yet. Some weed. Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, I saw it. There's drugs in the car, so.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Buddy, you already hit this backpack?
Yeah. Let me get the trunk. Hey, pull that thing down for me. What's that phone? Let me get the trunk.
Hey, take it. Here. Yeah, I got it. Alright. That's called way at the end, alright?
Alright.
Oh, can't walk?
Almost tricky.
Alright. At your own step, bro. Alright, just do me a favor, just lean against him. I want to touch you real quick. Alright? Anything on you shop that will stab me? Anything like that? Any drugs? Alright, brother, have a seat. Alright. Is it cold for you? Is it hot? Want to turn on the AC for you?
Oh, no, it's good.
It's good? Alright.
Todd Pierce was charged with possession weapon, short-barreled gun rifle or machine gun, carrying concealed firearm, reckless driving first offense, and sunscreen sign covering windshield. Thanks for watching Bodycam Break.
Now him, I want to see how much time he get. Got the switch modification on there and everything. That's why some of these cases I feel like, damn, I wish, I like the ones that they wait until the case is over, so then you know the full story, you know what I mean? But we can't get them all the time with that, man. I mean, that cop definitely had an attitude, though. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, man. It's 3 in the morning when I'm filming this, just so you know. I'm gonna take me a nap and go to sleep. But yeah. That cop definitely had an attitude. I ain't gonna lie. But the kids had an attitude too. You know, so it's catch 22, but we hold the cops to a higher standard. But either way it goes, uh, I give him props. You know, one cop, 3 kids, and he was able to cuff them all and get everything kind of under control. So I give him a 3 on this. I definitely give him a 3 out of 5 on this, man. He would have got a 4 if he didn't have such an attitude, but you know, it is what it is.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.